First, you want to take off the nozzle, quarter turn, and it unlocks. Then you want to put in your syrup separator. Make sure that your green seal is inside. Put in your syrup separator. Get it running a little bit. For this flavor, we have to use the 5-to-1 side. So I'm gonna put my cup here, this section where the syrup is coming out, and this big section where the water's coming out. And the first thing you want to do is you want to try it, test it. So as you can tell, my syrup, I need to turn it up. And you go that to the valve blocks up here. If you look in your schematics, it's going to tell you which valve block belongs to this bay. You could also do it by pressing it and seeing the flow come out, or just by touching the solenoid, and you can feel that it's this one right here. So once you find out which valve belongs to you, you go to it, and the set screw right here is counterclockwise is more, is less, and clockwise is more. So right now we want more, so we're going to turn it clockwise. After a couple turns, minor turns, a little bit is a lot, you want to do a test run again. Almost there, a little more. So once you get 3 good readings, you know you're there.